lady by the name of Rita Bennett. And she lives in Export. Are you able to get that box open?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's shot.
Can I help? Can I help you get the box open? And we'll see. Here, pull this way. Oh my. That's one industrial. Oh, what's in there? What is that?
Oh my, Mart, you got a present. There's a card.
There's a card for Marty and a card for Marty's mom.
Aww.
Oh my goodness! Merry Christmas time! Woohoo!
Woohoo, Mart.
How awesome! Oh, you have 2 brand new toys!
Wow.
Awesome!
Look how
What do you
cool.
say to Rita Bennett?
Thank you, and thank you so much.
Can I tie these for you? Let me see if I can tie it. Brian's not good at tying ties either.